This is a good one. So you get to your customer's house and you're getting ready to perform your solar panel cleaning, your window cleaning, or whatever kind of cleaning service you're about to do. Go across the street and knock on the customer's door and give them your business card, your door hanger, your flyer, or whatever, and let them know that you're about to do a cleaning on their neighbor's house across the street. After you're done that, go to the neighbors next door to them to the left and the right and do the same thing. While you're at it, go to the houses to the left and the right of the customer that you're at cleaning right there at that appointment. Those are nearbys, and you want to go ahead and leave them with a business card, a flyer, a door hanger, or whatever, because they are potential customers. When you get back to your customer's house, you want to let them know that they have a referral bonus program that they can take advantage of. And in fact, if they refer one of their neighbors and one of their neighbors books an appointment with you, that they will receive a discount off their next cleaning. They will definitely get out there and sell for you. Let your customers sell for you.